guys, my name is Tinu and you're welcome to the Yoruba Gods NFT podcast. I'm sure by now you figured out I'm your second host on this show. So let's get into this episode. Yoruba Gods NFT project tells a powerful story of Africanism through the eyes of Nigerian Artist and Creative ImageDeity. We already established in the previous trailer of the great disconnect between modern civilization and accurate representation of traditional African culture. This is not a commercialization of a belief system. The Yoruba culture is massive and very much alive. This is just us, storytelling and preserving our arts and culture. Here are some of the project offerings. We have NFTs, digital artworks, literature, merch and accessories, podcasts, what we're doing now, film animation, music and audio NFTs. And of course, the project will generate proceeds and the ratio is very clear. 20% of proceeds from NFT sales to be put in reputable humanitarian NGOs, for example, Lagos Food Bank for poverty alleviation, and an arts foundation that will be decided later on. 20% of proceeds from sales to contributors, 30% to team and founder. Remainder of proceeds will be for the community, its activities, and of course, the holders of the NFTs. The offerings of Yoruba Gods NFT project aim to preserve and celebrate Yoruba culture in new and innovative ways. So guys, that's it for this episode. Stay tuned for more details of the project. Nita and I have lots more to share with you.